Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Bmmpr smart alarm for cars. Now you can pick this up at Bmmpr.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $160. Now let me give y'all a quick backstory behind this. The other day somebody tagged me in a post on Instagram of a guy throwing a tennis ball at a BMW, and a few seconds later he got an alert on his phone saying his car has been bumped. Once I seen that, I said I need this immediately. So I hit them up. I asked them if they could send me a demo unit. I want to test it out. And if it works, I'm buying two. And everybody in my car club is going to want one also. All right, so let me show y'all that video. Check this out.
So here's Marco with the tennis ball. And he's going to test out Bmmpr.
Why throw tennis balls at cars? Because of Bmmpr. Bmmpr.
There it is. Your M4 has been bumped.
This looks so sick. All right, so let's read the description. A smart alarm for your car. Immediate phone notifications, 6.5 seconds, if your car has been disturbed. Bmmpr simply plugs into your OBDI diagnostics port. Detects impacts, including position and intensity, identifies break-ins, and notifies before tow occurs. No wires, no monthly plans, installs in 3 minutes. Plug in, sync up, and rest easy. All right, so let's check this out. Now keep in mind this is just a prototype unit. So we got the Bmmpr and we got a tennis ball. Now it's gonna plug right into your OBDI. Now this will work on any car after 1996. All the cars gonna have the same plug-in. All right, so let's take this outside. We're gonna test it out and see if it works. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, one more thing I forgot to mention. The app is available for Android or iOS. So this is what it's gonna look like. There's the Bmmpr icon. Click on that. There's the app. We'll go through this a little bit more when I test it out outside. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now I got this all set up, so now let's test it out. Now for the setup process, real simple. You plug the Bmmpr into your OBDI, wait about 30 seconds, open up the app, put your serial number in, name the car, and you're good to go. No wires, no headache. This is the definition of plug and play. All right, so let's test it out. All right, so I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. Got the tennis ball on deck. Here we go. Let's grab the phone. There's the alert. Your M5 has been bumped. This is sick. Let's try some other angles. All right, so let's try it from the back. Got the tennis ball. Let's grab the phone. There's the alert. Your M5 has been bumped. All right, so let's try it from the passenger side. Here's the tennis ball. Let's grab the phone. Your M5 has been bumped. And you want to see something cool? Got the same notification on my Apple Watch. Let's try it from the front. Okay, so here we go. Got the tennis ball, front test. Let's grab the phone. There's the notification. Your M5 has been bumped. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major, major, major go. Let's try it on a different car. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, I just switched cars, so let's try this again. Now, to switch your Bmmpr from car to car, real simple, just unplug it and plug it in. You don't have to touch any settings. Here we go. All right, so let's start off with the driver's side. Got the tennis ball. Here we go. Let's grab the phone. There's the notification. Your M5 has been bumped. Let's try it from the back. All right, here we go. Got the tennis ball. Let's grab the phone. There's the notification. Your M5 has been bumped. All right, let's try the passenger side. Tennis ball. Let's grab the phone. Your M5 has been bumped. All right, let's try the front. Let's grab the phone. There's the notification. Your M5 has been bumped. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major, major, major go. One more thing I want to try out. All right, one more thing that I want to try. Let's simulate somebody bumping into your car. Let's grab the phone. There's the notification. Your M5 has been bumped. Now for the last test, let's simulate somebody sitting on your car. So I just sat on the car. There's the notification. Your M5 has been bumped. And if you listen carefully, you can hear my Apple Watch going off at the same time. All right, so you've seen it for yourself. This is mandatory. Now, if you got a nice car and you worried about your paint job, you need this. Now, there's a few more things I wanted to show you. Now, I know my autofocus was kind of trash, so let me show you how the notification looks. Your M5 has been bumped. Now, let's take it over to the app. Check this out. So we'll open up Bmmpr. Let's hit the events. It keeps an actual log of all of the events. So you see right front fender, passenger side, driver side, every event on file. This is so sick. Now there's one more thing I want to show you. Check this out. Now what's better than knowing something happened? Proof. We've partnered up with top camera manufacturer Orky and added a wireless dash cam that connects directly to the Bmmpr app. You'll receive an image from the camera along with the event's details. This is so sick. Think about it for a minute. You're going to get an alert when you park your car and somebody bumps into it. You're also going to get an alert when you're at the supermarket and somebody rolls a shopping cart into your car. You'll get an alert if somebody tries to steal your car or break into your car. And think about this. You're going to get an alert if you got that crazy ex-girlfriend and she's coming to key up your car, catch her red-handed. You need this. Shout out to Bmmpr for letting me try this out. I'm going to need 2 of these. Y'all just made 2 sales. And once my car club sees this video, y'all going to sell about 20 more. This is a major, major, major go. Mandatory. Floor seal of approval. Anyway, this is the Bmmpr Smart Car Alarm. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize. Now y'all know I wasn't gonna leave this empty parking lot without making a little noise.